Welcome to our channel. CC Vector Router, 10 Smart Fixes for Common Issues. Check the power supply, make sure the router is properly plugged in and the power LED light is on. Try a different socket if needed. Verify internet connection, confirm your modem is working by connecting it directly to a laptop. If no internet, contact your ISP first. Restart the router, unplug the router's power cord, wait 30 seconds, and plug it back in. This simple reset often solves minor issues. Check cable connections, ensure all Ethernet cables are securely plugged into the correct ports, modem to WAN, devices to LAN. Relocate the router, place the router in a central, open area. Avoid placing it near walls, metal objects, or microwaves. Check signal strength. If Wi-Fi is weak, move closer to the router. You may need to reposition antennas for better coverage. Reset to factory settings. If all else fails, press and hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Reconfigure the router from scratch. Update firmware. Log into the router's admin panel and check if a firmware update is available. Install if needed. Avoid device overload, disconnect unused devices. Too many connected devices can slow down or drop the Wi-Fi. Try another device or browser. Sometimes the issue is with the device or browser, not the router. Test the connection using a different phone, laptop, or browser. Thank you for watching.